How to activate public bank credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to activate your public bank credit card online. So let's dive right into the steps. Firstly, open a web browser on your PC and in the search bar, type www.pbebank.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Once you enter, you will be directed to the official website of Public Bank. Locate the login button at the top right corner of your screen that is highlighted in red color. Click on it, and you will see the options like PBE, PB Enterprise, Share Trading, PBQR, and all. Choose the first option that is PBE, and you will then arrive at the login page of Public Bank. Enter the user ID in this designated area over here, and after that, click on Next. Verify your personal login phrase in the black box, and if it's correct, click on Yes. If it's not, select No. Upon confirming the login phrase, you can put the correct form of your password in this designated area over here. Then after entering the public bank account password, click on the login button. Proceed by selecting the activate your credit card option and follow the provided instructions. And in the event if you have forgotten your password, you can click on the reset password button and follow the reset process. So this was all about it. This is how you can activate public bank credit card online account. If you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.